What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the RA Visuals YouTube channel. And now earlier this year, I built myself a custom topped standing desk using an up desk base from a company called Autonomous. Applying my desk on top of it, I basically just used a butcher block countertop, and that has been absolutely awesome for me, and it is my desk that I use every single day. And now I love the idea of a standing desk so much, in fact, that when a company called VORII that specializes in manufacturing premium standing desks, they reached out to me and said they wanted to send me one of their desks. And it's actually this one right here that you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the unboxing of this and the build process and run through some of the features right after this word from our sponsor. Your favorite Windows 10 CD key retailer, CD Key, is having their biggest sale of the year right now. Best part is you can now get your favorite software keys for 28% off from April 2nd through the 9th. Purchasing your key is super easy. All you have to do is click on the item you want, click buy to add it to your cart. Once in the cart, you can now enter my special promo code UKRA, which again is worth 28% from April 2nd through the 9th. After adding the promo code, you'll see your savings pop up, and you can then purchase your product with your chosen payment method. Finding and entering your Windows 10 CD key is super easy. All you have to do is go to your user profile, find your purchase, and click View Keys and Codes to reveal your new CD key. Then all you have to do is go to Settings in Windows, click on Update and Security, click on Activation, and finally click on Change Product Key and enter your new key into the window and click Next. You'll now have a fully licensed version of Windows 10 with 0 watermarks. Check the links in the video description to start saving now. Alright guys, let's first start with the unboxing experience of the Element Desk V2. I have to say, this thing came extremely well packaged and absolutely 0 parts were missing or damaged. Very nice. I will say though that the boxes are very heavy, so if you haven't been to the gym lately, you may want to get some help moving them into the area that you're going to set this thing up at. Once you get everything out of the box, it was actually very simple to discern what parts go where due to everything being labeled and really only going together one way. And so especially the bolts that come with it, they are all specifically labeled on their little baggies they come in with their size and dimensions, so I really appreciated that. And taking a look at the desktop next, I was very surprised that the material of this 55-inch tabletop is made of. I thought it was actually getting just like the usual white colored standard wooden desk that most companies use, but nope. This thing is actually made of a premium 1-inch single piece carb P2/EO certified MDF wood top that is ergonomically shaped for comfort when sitting like I am right now or standing. And now what does that all mean that I just said, right? There's a lot of numbers. Well, basically the desk has wood inside of it, but the outside has this really sleek, more plastic feeling that is supposed to be much more durable and resistant to scratching, which is great. And this is awesome because I had a huge problem with scratches on my old white desks when I used to work on them. Now taking a look at the directions, there's only 11 total steps to the entire build of this desk, so it was actually fairly simple, and there's only 1 or 2 steps that may leave you scratching your head a little bit for a minute, but if you've done this before or even have a little bit of experience building something, you should be able to figure out and just get this thing built in just about under an hour. Alright, so now that we have finished building the desk, let's talk about some of the features. So this desk has a powerful dual motor frame, and so it is heavy duty steel and it offers unparalleled stability and support of up to 300 pounds. And it is 30% quieter apparently and has 65% more lifting power over a single motor desk frame. Like I said before, this desk has an ergonomic one-piece top that is sleek and ergonomically designed for the best posture when sitting at the desk like this or standing up. And then it is made of that 1-inch thick premium MDF material, and then yeah, it's got that really cool coating on top that I talked about before that's very sleek and it will help you resist those scratches. And now it also comes with these 3-stage telescoping legs that are best in class, and they go from a range from 24.4 inches to 50 inches when standing. So it basically allows you guys to get a greater range of heights and adjustment for your desk. And now lastly, this thing comes with an LED display that is multifunctional, and it controls up to 4 programmable memory preset heights. And now you can go ahead and do this just by pressing a couple buttons, and it's very, very easy, and it makes using this desk super simple every time you want to sit at it or stand with it. And now if you're wondering how the cable management is on this desk, let me show you really quick. Alright guys, and on the subject of cable management, you guys can see there is a little tray that sits on the bottom of the desk, and they actually leave it a little bit loose for you, so you can move it left to right, whatever you want to do. You can actually move the screws around this too, and that way you can get whatever configuration you need for your own cables. So you can see a couple I have dangling right now, but that's only because I just haven't cable managed them. But you can mainly just grab them and stick them inside of this little cable management tray, or you can use the included little tacks or the 3M tape things that they give you, and you can actually take your cords and just, 3M tape it to the top of the desk right here. But either way works, and I think it's very cool they give you all these different options for your cable management. So, how much is all of this going to cost you? Well, it's not exactly cheap, guys. I'm sorry about that, but it's about $499 for the 55-inch model that I have right here, and it seems to be in the same price bracket as its competitors though, and it definitely does not skimp on quality at all. So I feel like this is a fair price to ask for something like this. And if that price scares you, just be aware they also offer a 7-year warranty on your desk and a 30-day trial with an installment plan if you do need that. So they have really pulled out all the stops over at VORII to bring you a high quality standing desk for your office space. But as always, these are just my opinions and my thoughts after doing it, so I'd really love to hear what your thoughts are on this desk, and if you guys out there would ever consider grabbing something like this for your own setup. So be sure to let me know down in the comments below. And while you're down there, if you really enjoyed this video, why don't you just go ahead and give the video a like, because it really helps out my channel, and I do appreciate seeing you guys do that. And if you guys are interested in seeing more of my content, actually just go ahead and get subscribed with those notifications on so that you will never miss one of my new uploads. But that's going to be it for me today, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you next time.